If you dream of living in a beautiful minimalist home filled with chic white sofas and pale carpets, but the thought of spilling red wine or getting muck on them fills you with dread, you've come to the right place. Welcome to the world of spot cleaners where tackling spills, stains, and dirt on flooring and upholstery is stress-free. These handy cleaning pros are a worthy investment, particularly if you're a pet owner who often has to tackle muddy paws, or you have crayon-armed children or grandchildren running around. To help you find the right model, we've listed the top 10 best spot cleaners and their key features plus the things you need to consider to help you choose the best one for you. Links to all products mentioned in the video are in the description below. So let's get started. Number 10. Vax Spot Wash Home Pet Design Spot Cleaner. Vax offers two models designed for pet owners, and this is the cheaper of the two. The other, larger model, had the same score on the test and is immediately below. As you'd expect of the brand, it boasts excellent cleaning credentials. But it was the accompanying attachments that stole the show for our testers. An extra-wide cleaning attachment ups the space you can cover in one sweep, while the messy tool makes hard floor scrubbing a lot easier. For pet owners, it's the spin scrub hand tool you should pay attention to if you're tackling carpet stains. It has automatic rotating bristles, doing even more of the hard work for you than usual and removing ingrained dust and dirt effectively. Just note that the tool can be fiddly to detach, and there isn't enough space for them all on board. Number 9. Bissell Spot Clean Hydrosteam. This deep cleaner uses steam technology to tackle dirt with little scrubbing needed, meaning cleaning mud is a fuss-free task. Extra elbow grease was needed to eradicate red wine and coffee spills from our carpets, but the wine was easier to clean when it had been left to dry as opposed to when treated straight away. However, our expert would recommend avoiding letting coffee set in as this didn't fully disappear. One nice feature was that its steam mode was ready quickly, so you could get cleaning in a flash. Our testers also appreciated the detachable wheels, which let you pull the machine around easily, particularly as it's fairly weighty. This easy-to-use model is a reliable buy for refreshing your floors. Number 8. Shark Stain Striker Stain and Spot Cleaner. The spot cleaner received high praise from our testers for its exceptional ability to effectively eliminate stains from upholstery. Whether dealing with fresh or dried-in stains, the cleaner demonstrated impressive dirt-lifting capabilities without needing additional assistance thanks to its versatile range of attachments. Furthermore, our testers were impressed by how effectively the cleaner left surfaces dry after use. In addition to its performance on upholstery, the Shark Spot Cleaner also excelled in cleaning carpets, effectively eradicating immediate stains and rejuvenating the carpet pile. However, it faced challenges when dealing with dried-in mud and red wine stains, leaving slight outlines where the stains had been. As a recommendation, it's advisable to promptly address spills and footprints to ensure optimal results when using this efficient and budget-friendly cleaner. Number 7. Vax Spotwash Duo Spot Cleaner. The Vax Spotwash Duo Spot Cleaner is another impressive offering from Vax, a well-known market leader in home cleaning products. Our panel of experts was particularly impressed with this model for its affordability and powerful cleaning capabilities. The cleaner required minimal scrubbing, particularly on hard floors, thanks to its strong cleaning power. In testing, the reviewers made a point of highlighting that the cleaner demonstrated an impressive ability to evenly distribute the cleaning solution across the floor, resulting in surfaces that were almost dry after use. When it came to dealing with carpet stains, the cleaner efficiently handled wine and mud stains, although it faced some challenges with stubborn coffee stains on upholstery. Despite this, after making several passes, only minimal traces of the stains were left behind. Overall, our experts were pleased with the results on our carpets. The cleaner left the color and pile looking pristine, with no watermarks left behind. Number 6. Vax Spot Wash Max Pet Design Spot Cleaner. The Vax Spot Wash Max is an exceptional cleaner designed to tackle stubborn pet messes and everyday household stains. It is equipped with a larger tank, allowing you to clean larger areas in your home without the hassle of frequently emptying the tank. This efficient cleaner performed remarkably well in our upholstery and hard floor tests, thanks to its versatile attachments that enable customization of the cleaning process based on the specific task at hand. While it delivered satisfactory results on carpets, we found that dried-in wine stains posed a considerable challenge on all surfaces, necessitating additional treatment. However, this is not uncommon, and overall, our floors and carpets emerged in commendable condition. dry with no residual watermarks. Number 5. Karcher SE3 to 18 Compact Cordless Vacuum Cleaner. The cordless design of the spot cleaner stood out to us because of its lightweight and portable construction, which makes it incredibly convenient to carry around and store. Our team of experts also appreciated the ergonomic handle and trigger design, noting that it significantly reduced hand fatigue, even during extended use. Throughout our rigorous testing process, we found that the spot cleaner excelled in tackling upholstery stains, effortlessly eliminating both fresh spills and stubborn, set-in stains without requiring intense scrubbing. The hose attachment further enhanced its capabilities, allowing testers to reach tight crevices and inaccessible areas with exceptional ease. While we observed that it faced some challenges with fresh wine, mud, and coffee stains on carpets initially, a second pass proved to be highly effective in getting rid of these stubborn stains. Notably, the spot cleaner surpassed our expectations when it came to tackling dried-in dirt, successfully erasing all traces of stains, including red wine. Number 4. Vax Spot Wash Home Cordless Spot Cleaner. This lightweight, simple Vax was a hit with our testers. All the controls were clear and easy to understand, and we didn't have to refer back to the instructions once, making the cleaning experience straightforward throughout. It's cordless, so you don't need to worry about stray cords or limited plug sockets, and the 25-minute battery life should be ample to tackle the odd spill. Cleaning immediate and set-in stains from hard floors was a breeze. Mud, tea, and coffee disappeared easily from carpet and upholstery too. It struggled a little with red wine, leaving faint discoloration behind, but the stains were much less noticeable after they'd been treated. None of our surfaces were too damp afterward either, and notably, there were no watermarks on our upholstery. Number 3. Bissell Spot Clean Cordless. The Bissell Spot Clean Cordless model proved to be an impressive cleaning tool during our testing. One of its standout features was the quick and simple setup and operation, making it convenient to use. We were pleased to find that it effectively targeted both new and stubborn stains, producing excellent results. Additionally, the carpet appeared fresher and relatively dry after cleaning, which was a major plus point. When we encountered challenging red wine stains, we found that effectively removing them required some extra time and effort, but the result was consistent with what we had anticipated. As we transitioned to cleaning the upholstery, we made sure to adhere to the manufacturer's recommendations and shifted to using the eco mode for a more environmentally friendly approach. Despite its seemingly gentle nature, this setting still managed to deliver commendable results, albeit leaving the car seats slightly damp. Overall, there were few favorable aspects of this cleaner. Its portability, convenient storage, and inclusion of a bottle of cleaning solution make it an ideal option for promptly addressing stains. Number 2. Vax Spotwash Home Duo Spot Cleaner. After our comprehensive testing, we observed that the Vax cleaner demonstrated exceptional performance in rejuvenating the carpet pile, effectively bringing back its original texture without causing any matting. Furthermore, it excelled in effortlessly tackling and eliminating dried stains from various types of flooring. Notably, it exhibited remarkable stain removal capabilities on hard floors and upholstery, swiftly and effectively eradicating immediate stains. Upon conducting thorough testing, we noticed that removing all traces of stains from the carpet posed a slightly greater challenge. The Vax cleaner impressed us with its user-friendly design, featuring easily accessible controls and comprehensive instructions that made the operation a breeze. Particularly noteworthy was the crevice tool, which proved to be exceptionally effective for cleaning car interiors, adding to the versatility of this machine. While it was a slight inconvenience that the tools couldn't be conveniently stored on board, there's no denying that this machine truly delivered outstanding results for our floors. Number 1. Bissell Spot Clean Pet Pro. The Bissell Spot Clean Pet Pro deserves all the praise for its remarkable ability to remove stains. During our testing in the lab, it flawlessly eliminated dried-in mud, wine, tea, and coffee stains from various surfaces. Additionally, it excelled at revitalizing carpet piles, leaving the treated areas fresh and only slightly damp. Testers found the machine easy to use due to its well-placed and clear controls, as well as its maneuverability, effortlessly navigating around small or tricky spots. The only downside noted was its considerable noise when in operation. However, given its exceptional stain-removing performance, the noise level was deemed a minor issue. Here are the best spot cleaners. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the thumbs up button. If you have any questions or ideas for our next review or want to chat, feel free to drop a comment below. Your insights are valuable to us, and we are always eager to engage in conversation. If you decide to subscribe, welcome to the Tech Tribe. We have some epic content coming your way, so buckle up. Until next time, keep rocking, stay safe, and we'll catch you on the flip side. Peace out.